I'm about to be like, Issa, look at you. You a snack? Oh, yes, you. I'm talking about you. Girl, you smell good. Girl, just look at you. Girl, just look at you. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. And if it's not your first time stopping by, you're also welcome. Thank you for coming again, and I appreciate you. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup, and it's not just going to be any makeup, okay? I'm going to be recreating a look. Yes, another recreation, because I love them. There's so many talented makeup artists out there sharing their knowledge, giving us like the goods on like what's the tea and like how to make your face look banging. So today I'm going to be recreating a look by the one and only, drumroll please, Brega. So Brega, if you guys don't know who Brega is, she's a Nigerian makeup artist, and that's really all I know about her. She's a Nigerian makeup artist and she's very talented. I love her makeup skills. Her Instagram page just has like a lot of flawless faces that she's done. She did Ronke Raji's engagement makeup look. I will insert a picture right here. So she did that look, and she's just a really super cool makeup artist. I wanted to recreate this look that she did on her Instagram that I have just been dying to recreate because it's a blue and green look, and I love blues and greens. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm actually going to be doing my eyes before I do the rest of my face today, because that's how she does her makeup. She does her eyes first, and then she does her foundation, then she does her brows. I've actually never tried that before, so I'm going to be doing that. I hope it turns out well. I think it will. I think I should be okay. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm taking my primer by Milk Makeup, and I'm going to be using that to prime my skin. And then I'm going to move on to my concealer. This is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm going to take this flat brush and I'll use that to just do what she does, which is like, she just primes her eyelids and she kind of carves out her brows. I actually don't mind that. Okay, so the concealer is set. I'm just gonna move directly into eyeshadow. I can't believe I'm actually doing my eyeshadow first. It's so unlike me, but let's move on. So I think I actually have the perfect one palette that I can use to do this whole look. I might just have to borrow a black shade from another palette. This is my Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe. Or Reina del Caribe. I still don't know how to pronounce the name of this palette, but this is my Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's the volume 1 palette. You know what's actually crazy? First time I ever used this eyeshadow palette, I think I was wearing this same shirt. This is like my second YouTube video ever that this palette featured on. But yeah, so this palette has all the colors that I should need. It has blue, it has green, it has oranges, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. So first shade that I'm going to be taking, this orange shade right here, and I'm going to be using that in my crease. So next she's going into a blue shade. So I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here. It's called Veradaro. That first one was called Tropical. So I'm going to wet my brush. This eyeshadow palette applies so well. It's actually really pretty. Now I'm going back into this orange shade and I'm going to mix it with this one right here called Guantanamera. Like, called Guantanamera. Guantanamera. I'm going to take a different brush for that. sort of have to blend for a long time to get the blue and the orange to sort of blend together so you don't have like a harsh line. I'm going to be taking this blue shade in my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to use that as like a different shade to kind of highlight this blue. It's a little bit more electric than the blue that I already have laid down, so I'll take that shade and I'll just use it to like give it a little bit of, you know, oomph. I'm going to take this black shade from my Morphe X James Charles palette. So she did something pretty cool where she took like a piece of white paper and then she used it to like line her eyes like that, and then she smoked it out. So I'm going to be doing that. Please, I hope I don't poke my eyes out. But she did this, right? And then she looked down. Y'all, I'm so worried. How the hell am I supposed to do this? Okay, I'm going to face the mirror. If you guys can't tell, I'm like scared. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to look. Okay. Okay, so that was super stressful in case you couldn't tell. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this brush to blend that black out, make it look like all seamless and smooth and everything, because right now I'm feeling just a little bit crazy. Okay, so I'm going back into that orange shade and I'm just going to use to blend everything, make it smooth, and then we're going to move on. Okay, so I'm done with the first part of the eyeshadow. I think it looks, you know, pretty nice, but we won't know how the whole look looks until we actually finish. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because I don't want you guys to like, you guys have seen me do my foundation over and over again. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my foundation and then I'll be right back to complete the eye look. Okay guys, so I'm done with my foundation. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but I feel like something I did is definitely making a difference. Like, do you guys see this, like, just cleanness? I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna have to share this like hack, whatever it is I did in this foundation routine, with you guys in the next video, because this is different from like, before. Like, I know you guys can tell a difference, right? Because I can. Let's move on to the rest of the eye makeup. So the next thing that she did is she grabbed a green color. So I'm going to grab a green eyeshadow and I'm going to pop that in my lower line and also in my inner corner. That's what it's called. I always forget the name. Anyway, let's do that. I'll be using this tiny detail brush and I'm going to wet it. I'm going to grab some of that color Celia. Okay, you know what? I'm worried. Just a little bit, So I'm gonna grab some powder and I'm gonna use it to like protect from any fallout, because I would really hate to like ruin this beat with some green eyeshadow falling on my cheeks. So yeah, I'm going to avoid that by doing this instead. Okay, so I have the green on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna move into this color right here. Ooh, too bright. I'm gonna move into this color right here just above the green. It is called L.A.COLOURS. I don't know. What? Was that supposed to be a French accent? Oh my days. I cannot deal with myself. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna put it on top of the cream. It's gonna make it like sparkle just a little bit more. Okay, so I think I need to work on the placement of glitter in the lower lash line. I need to like work on that technique because it really spilled over into my concealed under eye and I don't like how it looks. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of concealer and I'm actually going to clean it up. So I will be right back. So I managed to clean it up and I'm done with the green. I really like how it looks. If you guys can see it, I hope you can. But I really like how that looks. Yep, okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on. Okay guys, so this is the final look, guys. I am loving everything about this. Like I cannot even, like this is, I'm about to start doing my makeup like this every single time. Do you guys see this? Like no, I feel good. Okay, I'm not even going to lie. Let me take it up a notch. Why not? I'm gonna spray some perfume because I can. I feel like a snack. I'm about to be like, Issa, look at you. You a snack? Oh yes, you. I'm talking about you. Girl, you smell good. Girl, just look at you. Girl, just look at you. Hey. Guys, I can't get over this look. I absolutely love everything about this look. Like, do you guys see this? To be honest, I actually really like this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to share the video. And yeah, I will be bringing you more looks. Don't forget about the foundation routine. I'm gonna try to make that the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you next time.